Do More, Spend Less by Brad Wilson, Automobile Advice. Welcome to yourbooksummary.com. If you plan to purchase a new car, there are better deals than paying a little above the factory invoice price. This is because the factory invoice price is fictitious, designed to deceive consumers. It has as little significance as the sticker price. Auto manufacturers' invoice pricing includes a rebate to the dealer, often featuring factory-to-dealer incentives worth $500 to $5,000 or more. To avoid this trickery, join an organization whose members pay below the factory invoice pricing. For instance, you can join a club affiliated with the automobile brand you like. If you want to buy a Chrysler, pay the $60 membership fee to join Tread Lightly. People with a 3-year membership can buy a Chrysler, Dodge, Fiat, Jeep, or Ram at a preferred price of 1% below the factory invoice. You can attend a dealer auction if you want to purchase a used car at the best price. However, since such auctions are closed to the general public, you will need to retain the temporary services of a licensed auto broker. This service can cost between $500 and $700. But it is a good investment because you can save $5,000 to $10,000 or even more at an auction than buying from a used car dealer. If you prefer to lease a car, check readerwithhg.com for the best rates. I hope you found the information about Do More, Spend Less by Brad Wilson intro. If you're interested in learning more about the book, stay tuned for the next part of this series where we'll dive into the next section. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.